Good morning, guys. Welcome to a recession. That's kind of a joke. You guys are going to see a lot of articles, a lot of YouTube videos popping up today saying, oh, we're officially in a recession. I want to give you guys a different perspective. Yes, the GDP shrunk by 0.90% in this last quarter. This is officially 2 consecutive quarters in a row where we have negative GDP reports, which officially qualifies us for a recession. But hold on, guys. Do you know what happened last time we ended up getting 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP? Did the market go up or did it go down? You have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, place your bets. I'm going to show you guys what happened. From here to here is exactly when we had this over here. We had 2 negative GDP reports, all right? After this recession, this official recession we're going to enter into, which we are in right now, we ended up seeing a 161% pump on Bitcoin. Here's the kicker. Before the end of the year. That is crazy. Okay, and you're like, oh, wait, hold on. That's just for Bitcoin because it was in a pump cycle. That doesn't correlate to the S&P 500. Okay, well, let's take a look at it. You have the coronavirus, and here you guys go. You've got July 31st. Let me show this to you for evidence. July 31st, when the report came out. After this, the S&P 500 jumped 10.55% the months after and literally had no drawdown whatsoever. Do you guys know what drawdown is? It's after you get into a trade, it has a move down. No drawdown, zero drawdown, market shoots up 10.55%. So, as you guys are looking at all the thumbnails today, and I might even have to throw out a big bearish thumbnail just so I can join the crew so you guys watch it, because people are probably going to think that this just is like, we're going down to doomsday. Yes, that's a possibility, but you need to look in the past and say, all right, there's a potential here, guys, if history replays itself. Let's play the history card for a second here. If it does replay itself, we could be seeing, maybe a move to 41,000. I personally think that's aggressive. Here is a target that is reasonable by the end of the year. Take this and move it down like this. Let's go right here. A move of up to the structure resistance of $33,000 is where I would expect to see us maximum go by the end of the year. It's just correlated to a super strong structure support here as well as a resistance. Now, the next part of this video, guys, let me show you guys where I think Bitcoin is going to be going probably for the rest of the week into the weekend. Sound like Daffy Duck over here. And I want you guys to pay close attention to this. And we're going to end this video. It's not going to be long. Here's the deal. People already went short on Bitcoin. Okay, we've got people looking over here to look at the touches. We have an ascending resistance. People went short. And here's the deal. Here's the big deal, guys. People who went short are already in profit. What they're most likely going to do is put their stop losses right here at structure high. And it's going to be about 23,400. I would probably say some people would push up here to $23,500. Okay. What can happen here is if this market starts turning around, creeping up here, you're going to have a lot of people who went short get pretty stinking nervous because they have their stop losses here. And guess what? If it's not here and they see it move up, they're probably going to start moving it here. And then they're going to move their stop loss here. And then if all that fails, they're going to come up here and say, okay, my one last bail effort to bet on this market going down because we're officially in a recession is 25,340. So some of them may move their stop loss up here. If this market starts moving back up here and starts breaking these resistances, and if we somehow get above 25,500, that's an official break of all these resistances, and Bitcoin can get extremely bullish. Here is why. You have to understand, all this money that's selling, once the market moves up, they're in losses. So once they quote unquote sell their short positions, you guys are then going to see them come back and they're going to buy back into the market because they're going to cover the losses on their shorts. Okay? And look at this. Even the indicators over here are perfectly setting them up for a short trade as well. So here's the deal, guys. I would personally, if you're looking to short or go long, I would not be doing anything right now. Just my personal financial advice opinion. I would wait here because if you guys are going short right now, you have to break this resistance, you got to break that resistance, and this resistance up here. From a technical analysis pattern, this has a higher chance, like we just showed you, GDP, it went up 10.55%. Bitcoin went up 160% by the end of the year, and it had zero drawdown. But in this current situation, from technical analysis, you have 4 resistances in the way from this really heading up. So this actually has a higher chance of moving back down from a metric perspective as well as from a resistance perspective. Okay, take that into consideration as you guys are potentially shorting this week or if you're going long. Now, Our long trades. I'm looking for scalping trades this week because I think we're going to probably get a little bit of a move back down. We're currently sitting at 440% more than the S&P 500 does with 10% a year. And that's 44% we've done the last 71 days. If you're using no risk management, you're at over 0.5% a day. 0.5% a day, guys, is absolutely insane. 0.62%. Take a moment today, guys. I'll continue this video. Snag a membership over here. Here's our indicators. You guys can get them in the description. They're 82% off. And then come over here to a membership. Click subscribe, go into the Telegram channel. We are going to call all of these trades out for you. We just closed the sheep trade on July 26th, which was 2 days ago. All you do is you follow them in order. You open, you close. You open, you close. And we're just doing this over and over. We're making this so ridiculously simple to follow. Anybody who knows how to open a trade on your exchange can follow us, okay? We haven't lost a trade, and we're actually coming from a strategy where we've taken 126 wins with only one loss, and that was Luna, which everybody in the world lost, okay? So we're excited about this, and if you guys want to join our family, we're actually going to be able to give you guys this opportunity to just jump on today because I'm looking for trades coming out very soon because I do think there is more resistance going up, so we're probably going to see a move back down. Let's end this video here, guys. Where's the target for the downside? It's 20,000. Everybody is looking at this ascending support line right now. If you're not, you should have it on your charts. It's obviously a clear channel here. If we start moving down, the first pit stop is going to be right here at 20,750 at the quarters theory level. And then if that gets broken, we're going straight to $20,000. Please understand this last thing before we close this video off right here. You still have a bear flag that is forming here, guys. Even if we come out here and we look at this and it looks sloppy, I totally get it. We pull the high and the low here. This is a bear flag that usually breaks to the downside, okay? Please understand this. And this is actually forming a downward channel as well where you could see people shorting in the market. So everybody thinking, I'm just going to go long. Saw some articles out here today that came out and they're saying crypto's going to go 100 to 200% move up from where we're currently at. Okay, if it does, you got resistances in the way. I would be patient as I'm going to be patient for a move back down. And then we're going to get into the market and we're going to scalp this again. So let's watch to see what happens. If we break here above 25,500, this thing could explode. So please watch all those scenarios. All right, I love you guys. Have a good one. God bless you. We'll see you later in the other videos. Snag a membership so you guys can take our next trades. We'll call them out for you guys pretty soon. And then definitely get the indicator bundle pack. You're going to need the price for swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion for our scalping strategy. And you guys can watch this on the homepage. I have a link to this as well. Get started with us. There you guys go. This is the full strategy of how we're actually trading. And here's our performance record that you guys can keep checking. It is awesome. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. I'll see you guys inside Telegram later today. Bye, guys.